Using cleaning solutions correctly starts with proper dilution. If a solution is too strong, it can be dangerous. If it is too weak, it may not clean effectively. This video will guide you through the correct steps for safe and effective dilution. Step 1. Always read the safety data sheet first and check what PPE is required. This may include safety glasses, gloves, appropriate footwear or protective clothing. Step 2. Read the product label carefully to confirm the correct dilution rate for your Whiteley cleaning solution. Never mix cleaning products together, as this can create toxic gases. Always add cleaning solution to water, not water to cleaning solution. Step 3. Fill your container with the required amount of water. Using a measuring jug, flow tap or pump, measure the correct amount of cleaning solution and slowly add it to the water. After use, reseal the container and return it to the designated storage area, rinsing the measuring jug before using it again. Step 4. Take your diluted product and begin cleaning the required surfaces using the correct tools. Step 5. Dispose of any leftover solution according to your workplace procedures. Correct dilution keeps you safe, protects surfaces, and ensures effective infection control. For more information, contact Whiteley or your preferred supplier. Whiteley, protecting lives and livelihoods since 1933.